My experience with Messina was a great experience. Messina is Loyola's program geared towards first years. It groups them usually up by a major, so first years come in with an intended major, and then the Messina will sort of split them off to keep students with the same interests together.
My first year experience with Messina was actually really good. The first couple days we actually spent a lot of time with our Messina, so we had lunch together, we did a lot of events and activities together, so I really got to know them well. And it was nice having that community there that could really support you. You could be friends with them and talk with them. You see them when you're walking by and you say hi. So it was really nice to have that at the start.
My Messina experience overall was very rewarding, I would say. Coming into Loyola last year as a freshman, I definitely was very nervous and scared, but it was also very assured knowing that right away I'd be meeting the people that are in my class. And I think that's why Messina is so cool, because for 2 straight semesters you're with the same people, and I think that I did grow in some of my friendships from those classes with those folks.
Mine looked a little bit different because they have Messina specifically to honor students, so I was able to meet a lot of like-minded first years, which I think is so important. Coming to college for the first time, living somewhere else on campus and moving away from home is such a daunting experience, but Messina was just such a great way to have this the support system almost, because it's students that are also experiencing the same thing as you. A lot of them are out of state. With Messina, you feel that you're not alone, and you have this sort of support system that's helping you get through it, not only through the other students but also through the Evergreen, which is usually an upperclassman guiding your Messina.
I know for me, we were all kind of in STEM majors, which gave us that common ground as well.
I think that I had a really good relationship with our mentor and also our student leader, and we did a lot of fun activities. I remember distinctly our first icebreaker together, making animal sounds. It was very unique.
For us, it was Dr. Eklund, which she was fantastic. She was amazing, and it was just a great way. Messina is just a fantastic way of getting first years with the same interests together to sort of foster those friendships. And I think now 4 out of 5 of my roommates I actually met through my Messina. So it's just a great way of meeting people that have sort of similar minds to you, and a great way of feeling like you're not alone and making that daunting experience of moving to college as seamless as possible.
I think in terms of advice that I would give to freshmen or first year students, I would say definitely get to know your Messina. It's a great group of people. I know mine was especially a lot of diverse backgrounds, a lot of different experiences that people had. And so the advice that I would really give is just getting to know them, getting to know your professor, your Messina advisors, your Evergreen. All those people can really help you on your journey.
For freshmen, I would say personally, you got nothing to worry about. You're gonna find someone that you like in your Messina group. And I think while it might be scared at first to introduce yourself, I think that a good icebreaker or 2 and then a good class or 2 and you will be fine.
This is the humanities building. One thing that I really like about Messina is that it is just as much about academics as it is about socials. I was with my Messina class. We had a class together for an entire year. So it was one group kind of traveling in a little cohort. It was really fun because we all got to study together, and then our Evergreen, who was sort of the leader of our Messina, he was a senior when we were, incoming freshmen. He actually had us do a hide and seek in the humanities building as a sort of bonding exercise. So the activities that they do really seem to engage both the academic and the sort of social aspects of campus.
But yeah, I would definitely say that Messina was very positive and very good. Thank you.